Stay. Close. Okay. It's a link now. I want to locate the link and send it. I should send it on WhatsApp, right? Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, via WhatsApp or mail. Okay. I'm doing that now. I want to share to mail. Your mail, sir. Mm, mm, account- account, yes, at Gmail. Okay, gmail.com. Sent. Okay. Okay, my side will be a little bit faster than yours. Hello, sir. I will be a few seconds ahead of you. But when you ask question, I will understand where it's coming from because I will know which stage you are at that time. And you can always interrupt. You should not cut this WhatsApp call. Okay. Okay. Then when the class starts, I'm going to mute my side here. I will mute the you will hear me from this video, not from WhatsApp, but I will be hearing you from WhatsApp. If you're having anything, so let me. Okay. Okay. The first thing is website is like house. Sir, please, can you hear me? Okay. WhatsApp is like house. That's when, just imagine when you have the structure. No, you don't have the structure. Yes. The first thing is to get land. When you get land, then you build that structure on it. And then there's something with, yes, there's something called domain name. Domain name uh is like the address to that house that you just built. I'm going to explain everything now. The first thing is called, which is the land, hosting. Hosting. We have different kind of hosting company. Hosting company is the land, is the cloud service that will help you. This is one, Bluehost, that will help you to receive that building. It's like the land. Yes, that is hosting. Hosting is like that place where you will put the house, the website you build. Now, that is the land. It's somewhere on the internet. Because it's online. Oh, what happened to the website? I'm clicking it, but it's not opening. Let me look for, okay, this is another company, HostGator. HostGator now, okay, they have different kind of plan where they have baby plan. They call it $3 a month, $3.5. This one, they said you can, this one now, I don't know the size, and I'm expecting size, but I can't see the size. All I'm seeing is unlimited website, single website. Okay, this one can take single website, but there will be limits on the size. On the size, okay, let me see. I think this is where we have more detail. No size here too. Maybe speed. I don't know what they are selling. Let me go to GoDaddy. There's another company called GoDaddy. This okay. Nigeria one is Ugo Host. Is Nigeria company. That's Nigeria. Okay. Now, let me get. Okay, this is Ugo Host website. Let's open it so that this part now is just space, an empty memory card that you want to purchase. I'm hearing you, sir. Okay, but can you hear me now, sir? Can you still hear me now? Now, you won't be able to hear me on WhatsApp. Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Okay, ugohost.com. Let me go to hosting. They have 6 gig for 800 naira monthly, and they have 12 gig for 1001, 25 gig for 2003, and this one I don't know, whatever, I don't know, they didn't even put size. But when you buy this space, what you just get is like empty memory card online. Then you will now build your own website and put it into that space. Do you understand, sir? The next thing, okay, the next thing is called domain. But I can't talk. Okay, let me talk about domain. Domain name. You can even get domain name here. This is domain registration. Domain is the address, and this is it. The hosting, let's say I build my house in Navy. Okay.
That one don't matter. Anywhere my land is. You anywhere my land is, and then I get a land and then I build my house there. Domain name, domain name is like domain name is like the address to my building. Like after I finish my building, there's no way you can come to my house, without knowing my address. Kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ wá rí mi tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ address mi. Now, tí mo bá ti build the website mi sórí ilẹ̀ tí mo rà, which is hosting, address yẹn ni màá wá fún yín tẹ́ máa wá fi drive wá sílé mi. That's why you have google.com. I can hear you on WhatsApp, so I can hear you. Yes. I can hear you, sir. when it comes to programming language, we have different kind of programming language, but I just Googled this one out. This is just few HTML, HTML and PHP, CSS. This is Python, this is Java, this is JavaScript, and they all have different kind of functionality. And there are plenty. There's still plenty. There's PHP. Okay, there's PHP. Now I'm going to talk about PHP. Now, in all these languages, there are some work that some people have finished. Like, they just want you to carry the work and use it to complete whatever you want to do. You don't need to start from scratch. You just need to carry the work and use it. And one of this work is, let me visit PHP. There's language called PHP. You see this PHP? This PHP, very old language, and it's still up to date. Now, some people have built different kind of software from this PHP that you can use to build your website. And that is where CMS come in place. We call it CMS. Okay, let me go CMS. CMS meaning, so that we are seeing it together. Content management system. This platform, they build them for you to use to build whatever you want to do. And we have different kind of CMS, but we can just, let me see this one. 10 best and most popular CMS in 20. This is, let me open this. The number one will be popular CMS. And come and see here. If you see here, they say what are CMS? Piece of allow that. Okay. CMS platform is a piece of software that allow you to easily manage content and create a website. And that is it. Now, can you see the benefits? Easy to use, design option, data portability, extension, and add-on. I will explain that one later. The number one CMS in the world is called WordPress. Number two, let me see whether these people, no, this is not SpotHub. It's Joomla. This one is number two. This is Joomla. And they are both PHP language, but people create them using that language. You don't need to know PHP before you can use them. Now, this is another one. And all this CMS, this Drupal too is CMS, but the one we are going to be using is called WordPress. And I will tell you why. The reason why we are going to be using WordPress is the most popular. Now, why do we want to use popular from CMS? Is because, see what someone say here. Can you see? If you look at this line, it said it powers around 43% of all websites on the internet. What that means is that some people are built on this thing so much that there is nothing you want to do that you won't find. Let's say you want snow to be coming down your website. You want to be seeing snow flying around. Somebody has already created a plugin for it. You just plug it to this WordPress. And this WordPress is what I'm going to be using to build out my client's website. And you follow it you will follow it through. When we finish, you'll be able to use this WordPress to build any website. First, I think CNN and BBC website are running on CMS, but let me see popular brands on WordPress website. Just see, you will see them now. You see it. Okay. Do you see Sony Music, PlayStation Blog, even Disney Book? I'm looking for the ones that are very, 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 very popular. Let me see this one. Okay. BBC, BBC America, Sony Music, Microsoft News. That Microsoft News that you see on what's it called? Internet Explorer or Edge, that Edge browser. Tech Cruise. This is Disney World, Facebook Newsroom, Rolling Stone, Toyota Motor, Harvard, Mozilla Blog. It's on both websites. And all these websites, let's just look at random. Let's just pick any random. I think this Sony would be nice. After this class, you should be able to build this website. This one is even simple. I'm looking for complex website. This one is, yes, you should be able to build this website. But this one, let me go out. I'm not impressed with this one at all. I'm not impressed at all with this. Let me see what they have on BBC America. Okay, this one is complex too. You can see video jumping around. Okay, let me click this place. Okay, all episode. Okay, it's for videos. Okay, now let me see. Okay, Disney, at least Disney company. And you can see this is their website.
Yes.
And it's WordPress. Now you should be able to build this kind of website after the class. And when I say this kind of website, I'm very sure. This one is like the secret class. Secret behind website design. And this is it. This is it. Now, let me now take you to where the thing happened. If you now want to start this, we have like 5 minutes to 6 now. When you now want to start this, when you want to start using WordPress, the first thing is to download the CMS on your system. And when you download it on your system, you'll be able to use it. This is where you download the CMS, wordpress.org. And there's something they call open source. Can you see? It's free, totally free. And that is even the sources behind this stuff. Because it's free, people like programmers like me can just build something to enhance it more and more. Programmers like me can build anything to enhance the community more and more. And this is it. This is where you can see Get WordPress. When you click Get WordPress, this is where we download the latest version of it. This WordPress, you don't need to know about database. You don't need to know about anything. Everything is inside that. By the time you install it, I will take you through the process of installing it. By the time you know how to install it, the next thing is to be unlocking your creativity. I remember then, when I first built website for YMA, the first thing, like, is it 4 years ago or 3 years ago? The WordPress community in Abuja gave award best school website to that website. That's where you now want to unlock your own creativity. Then when you click here, this place, you will download it. Let me add existing. Okay, downloading now. And when you finish downloading, we will work from there in our next class. Please, sir, you can go and do research. You can do more and more research, but you can also avoid. I don't want you to get yourself involved in all this YouTube video. Just try and avoid them by all means for now, because they won't help you. And this is it. I just finished downloading it, and this is the file. This is the file. This file, I will teach you how you can install it, and now you can go about it. And thank you, sir, for the class today. We can continue our next conversation on WhatsApp. We'll continue from here tomorrow.